Hello, everyone, and here we are on Wednesday, midweek, the 6th of March, looking at gold, XAU USD. I have a buy limit at 21.15, and we got yesterday we had that high of 21.41. Then it fell down a little bit before the U.S. session closed. Fell down a little bit this morning in the Asian Pacific market. That's morning if you live in Southeast Asia. So we had a bit of a retracement, just a correction, and we got down to 21.27, but now it started to move back up with the European and London market and getting ready for the U.S. market to open in about 5 minutes. The U.S. market will open for Forex trading in about 5 minutes. I'm at Starbucks right now, so I hope it's not too noisy here and you can hear me okay. Just leave a comment if you don't mind below this video and let me know that it's not too noisy or that you can hear me okay. So what are we doing with gold? Well, it looks like it wants to go back to 21.41, and then it could go beyond that. I don't predict the market. I just react to what I see. But we are bullish, definitely bullish. We're bullish on the day chart, bullish on the 4-hour chart, bullish on the 1-hour chart. Definitely bullish. There's no question about that. If you look at the Fibonacci lines, if we get a retracement, we could come back to 2081. So what would bring gold back down? How would gold retrace from all of this big move that we've been seeing over the last few days? That will only be if there is a lot of good economic data coming out for the U.S. And we have the ADP non-farm payrolls that's coming in about 20 minutes, 15, 16, 17 minutes from now. That's not the non-farm payrolls, that's on Friday, but we have the ADP, which is coming in a few minutes, and that is an estimation of what the non-farm payrolls will be. But if that is really good news, then we could see gold start to reverse and come back to lower prices. We'll just wait and see what the data is going to be. Then also in about 2 hours, our friend Jerome Powell, the chairman of the Federal Reserve of the United States, will be speaking. And as you know, he always shakes up the markets. So we just have to wait and see what he's going to be saying. If he's saying anything good or anything bad, or not saying much at all. We never really know what he's going to say. And then, of course, on Friday, we have the non-farm payrolls. So it's really the back-to-back news that we're waiting on. Tomorrow, we have the unemployment claims. So it's all of this news this week that will determine whether or not gold is going to crash above 21.41, 21.70, maybe 2200. Wow. Or if the news is really good for the U.S. economy, then that's going to put pressure on gold, of course. And then we will see that gold will retrace or reverse all of this big moves that we've been seeing over the last few days. So just quickly look over at Bitcoin. And last night was pretty crazy. Bitcoin reached an all-time high, 69,000. Very, very very close to the all-time high. And then everybody started to cash out, taking profit. And it dropped $11,000 in just a few hours. Most of it very, very quickly. $11,000 drop in Bitcoin. But it's almost back up to where it was. Now it's trading at 66,000. So we probably will see it will go back up and touch 69,000 again in today's session. And then perhaps even beyond that, 70,000, 80,000. Bitcoin is also very bullish. No question about that. The big corporations are buying Bitcoin. The big institutions are buying Bitcoin. It's gaining much more global acceptance around the world, and a lot of people getting into Bitcoin. So it's definitely bullish, and we are going to see higher prices for sure. All right, back to the gold chart, and we'll see what we're trading at. 21.34 now. Still moving up, heading towards that 21.41 resistance that we have. 21.41 is resistance. If you want to come down to support, the support would be about 21.20. 21.20 is support. But remember, I have my buy at 21.15, just below that support level. But I'm waiting to see what the news is going to be, and that might determine whether I hold on to that pending order or not. We'll just wait and see for the news, which is coming in about 14 minutes. All right, so that's it for me. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, love, and share. And don't be greedy. All right, be patient. Don't trade big. Don't overtrade. Don't overlot. Let the market come to you. You can be successful trading Forex. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you again next time. This is Rick Ray signing